Sit down on a chair and place a small ball under your buttock. Hold on to the side of the chair to give your body some support. Gently move your buttock over the ball and you will feel the ball massaging deep into your gluteal muscles. Stand up straight and place a small ball between your butt and a wall. Bend your knees slightly to move the ball in circles around your butt, applying pressure towards the wall. This exercise will help to reduce tension in your gluteal muscles. Sit down on the floor and place a small ball under your left buttock. Cross your left leg over your right knee. Use your hands to support your body and to control movement over the ball in a circular direction. You will feel the ball massaging deep into your gluteal muscles.